I know that one day you tried to pirate something on the internet, right? And Windows told you that I will not allow you to install this. There you went to search on the internet and they told you the only way you can download that thing is by turning off Windows security, turning off smart screen, turning off Windows Defender. And you did it, right? You know what that means? It means, take this for an example. Someone promises you something, right? And they tell you to leave your doors open in the night. Then they'll give you that thing. Imagine how it feels like. Are you going to leave your doors open during the night? But why is that you allow some software that you pirated to tell you that before you install me, you have to turn off smart screen. You have to turn off Windows Defender, something that is defending you. I got some few seconds to convince you why piracy is bad. Even though I know not all of us have access to, these kind of things, maybe some games and stuff. But you have to do it with caution, right? Because you might end up getting some malwares on your PC, which might spy you, your browsing and all those kind of stuff. It might even steal your passwords and your account might even be compromised, right? That's why I'm saying that piracy isn't a good thing. But although I'm not saying it's 100% bad, because not all of us have the access, right? Not all of us have the access. But one thing you have to know is whilst pirating, you should have a specific device, right? If you don't have a specific device for doing that, then you need to get an antivirus software that you use to scan continuously. Else you're going to get loads of malware. Malware is not only going to slow down your computer. At this point in time, we don't only use that to slow down computers, right? It is for stealing data, right? Stealing data from you. So don't just pirate from any websites. By the way, I'm not saying it's 100% good, it's 100% bad, but don't just take it from any website that you see. We have Fit Girl rape packs for game, piracy, and the rest, right? But the other rape pack sites which contains a lot of malware, right? And Pirate Bay and the rest. Pirating is not like some few years ago. Right now, it's filled with ad slop and a whole lot of viruses and malware that you can get. You see, my main focus is on that because that's one vulnerable thing that you get. So the best thing you can do is to get a specific PC for piracy, right? You get all your games on it, your cracked games, and you play them. Because if you use your actual PC, you might end up putting yourself into trouble. Your data is going to be breached if you don't take care. Or you get a specific rape pack site. Maybe you are pirating a game or a movie or whatever. You should get a trusted source that you're going to use. Don't just pirate for any sites. For your own good, alright? So my final verdict is piracy isn't 100% bad. It's not 100% good. But make sure you do it with care. At this point, it is not that safe to be pirating, right? Maybe you can get a subscription, then watch the movies or the games. You can buy them on Steam. They are not that expensive. But if you think you don't have the money, then you have to use the correct measure to do it. Get an actual PC for it and pirate them, right? And make sure you do something that everybody is doing. Don't just go and pirate something which is, highly classical, highly classical, because you might get into trouble with that. Yes. So that's my message. This time that you're watching, the time that you're watching, that's my message for this video, right? Take care while pirating because it's not that safe at this point to be doing stuff like that. Alright. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm called Alex and my channel's name is Mr. Who Can Code As You. So make sure to give me a sub if you really like my breakdown and other kind of stuff. And also comment down below so I'll know what you think about the video I just made, right? If you think maybe there is something that you disagree with, you can just tell me, put it down in the comments, and let me know what you think. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.